Wow, I actually can't believe I made it. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So for anyone that's new, my name is Alessia and I have finally made it to Barcelona. I sound pretty groggy, I think, this morning. I think it's nearly 8 o'clock. It's my first day at work. I'm a little brekkie, so I'm having some Greek yogurt, some blueberry. But this is the week we start the vlogs, you know? This is the week we start my diary, we start my journey in Spain. Okay, so I am all ready to go to work. I am excited now, I'm getting more excited. So this is me, this is my fit. So I'm wearing this cute little top from Zara, and then we've got these trousers here. I don't know if you can see, but this is the fit. It's got a really nice fit. And I've also got this bag the other day from Urban Outfitters here. I just thought it was a nice bag to have for work and a nice colour to go with any outfit that I'm planning to go. Hopefully it's gonna be fun. I don't know what to expect. I will catch up with you soon. So I just got back from my first day as an intern in Barcelona. Woo. I'm basically working in a language school, and I'm basically a marketing assistant. So I'm in charge of their social media things and their social media pages, content creation, everything. So yeah, that's really exciting. So I had a lovely day. I met so many amazing people, so many amazing girls. So basically how my shifts work, so I work like 8:45 until 4:45 and got like 1 hour lunch break, and I'm really happy. So that was a good start to the week. So I'm currently putting some makeup on, getting ready because it's my friend's birthday and we're going for some nice drinks. Obviously I'm not going to go heavy on it because we're actually celebrating her actual birthday tomorrow night, and I think that's going to be like a really good evening. So I'm just going to keep it chill, have a few drinks, enjoy it. So your girl is ready to go out. So I thought I'd wear this cheeky little Zara shirt because it's pink and pink is like my favourite colour. Pink matching lipstick with my little nails. How cute. I'll show you the outfit. So I'm just wearing this shirt like this with this little top from I don't know if you can see me. This little top from Stradivarius, whatever you say. These mum jeans and just some Air Forces. So I just decided that I won't be bringing my camera out at night at all because obviously like I just don't feel it's safe. So I'm just gonna, anything that I vlog at night will be on my phone. So if the quality changes, that's the reason. I just don't trust bringing my camera out, drinking and being shoot at Barcelona. Like I just don't feel, I'm not losing my camera and I'm not getting it stolen. So I will try and video some of our evening and I'll see you later. Where are we now? Bourne.
We are in Bourne.
Right, so we're on our way out to Saf's birthday for drinks and we're in Bourne. Woo!
You say El Bourne? El Bourne. El Bourne. El Bourne.
Look how pretty she is. Oh, so But yeah, so I've been here a week. Let me tell you, it's been a hell of a week. Like, so many things have happened. Wow. So today's my friend's birthday, so we're gonna go out for some nice drinks. I'm just getting ready now. Please mind my hands or any fake tan that you see. I didn't have time to go to the beach and, you know, 10. So I thought I would get ready and just explain to you guys quickly like my week and kind of things that have happened. I'm gonna try and do weekly vlogs of my life in Barcelona. So yes, it's gonna be good, it's gonna be good. So I got here on the 25th of May, last Tuesday, and obviously I was going through so many emotions because for the people that don't know, or for people that haven't watched my last video, I actually tried to come to Barcelona back in December. I was detained I was held hostage basically at Barcelona airport, and from there like I couldn't go back, so it took me such a long time. Didn't think I would ever make it. But I'm here now. So basically, regarding my accommodation, I contacted the company which I'm working for, just asking them for any advice on which accommodation I should have gotten and stuff. When I originally arrived, I was actually in an apartment with 3 old men, basically. I wouldn't say they were old, but they were like basically in their 30s. And as a 21-year-old girl, you know, I just didn't feel comfortable. So that really put me in a bad mood, because I was just like, I don't want to be here living for 3 months. I wouldn't feel comfortable sharing the kitchen, the toilet, like nothing, and coming back home late, drunk, you know, like that wasn't my vibe. So I managed to move rooms, thankfully, and I found another apartment in the same building with amazing people, so I'm really, really happy. And there's 6 of us living here, so it's pretty hectic. But the only downside is that my room currently is tiny. It's like a tiny little box. There's no air, like my window doesn't go out to anything. There's like literally a wall behind it, so there's no fresh air, there's no sun, there's nothing, which sounds it sounds awful. One of the girls living with me is moving out in a few weeks, so I'm going to be moving into her room, which, you know, is going to be fine. So basically, one of my closest friends is actually here in Barcelona, so it was so nice to see her. I hadn't seen in ages, and life here is crazy. Basically, last week we went out every day. We went to these beautiful bars and restaurants. We went to these sick parties, sick apartment, penthouse, terrace, overlooking the beautiful Barcelona. It really didn't feel real. I was like, am I in a movie? Like, I was like, back at home, I don't have this. Until something bad happened in Barcelona. I was coming back home, and I'm very much a girl, like I walk everywhere by myself. I really don't like paying for cabs. I know it's really bad. And basically my friend lives just 15 minutes from my apartment. So in my head, I'm like, oh, that's, you know, that's fine. It was pretty late. I came back home in the morning after this party. And I was really close to my apartment, and I basically got robbed. I got attacked, I got robbed, and it was a very scary experience, which I'm still shook about now, but I will say, like, I'm fine, I'm safe. Nothing bad happened to me. It could have gone so much worse. I had my keys in my hands, I had my phone, I was holding my phone, I had my bag, and then this man from behind started running. He tried to grab my bag, and he took my phone off my hands and run away. And I was just in shock, but I immediately screamed and I ran after him. I was like, please, like in Spanish, I was like, por favor, por favor. I was like, just, it was scary, but I know at the end of the day, it's just a phone, don't get me wrong. Like, my safety is more important. You can replace a phone, you obviously can't replace me. And as I'm turning the corner, there were like these 2 guys that basically saved my life. But they jumped on the guy that stole my phone, took my phone off of him. But the good guy, one of the good guys that was trying to save me, actually dislocated his shoulder in the process of doing so. And then this man just ran away. In the meantime, as I'm running, obviously from the shock, I fell, I tripped down. Thank God nothing bad. Like, I could have sprained my ankle, I could have broken my arm. I literally fell straight down. The ambulance arrived, the police came, they were asking me questions, everything. Obviously all of this was done in Spanish, so thankfully I can communicate and speak in Spanish, because I don't know what I would have done. So then the ambulance took me in, and they said that they wanted to take me to the hospital because they just had to make sure that everything was fine, because I did fall and I have like pretty bad bruises, so they were just like, let's just make sure. So they took me to the hospital, they like did x-rays, but it was a very traumatizing experience, especially because it happened 3 days in me being here, and when I had to tell my mum, I can just let you imagine. But if there's anything in specific that you would like to know, I don't know, anything related to your abroad, how to move to a different country, I'm more than happy to make a video. Please leave a comment down below. I've been through it all, so I can guide you guys. I'll be your guide, I'll be your therapist through this. I'm gonna be back in a second just to show you the end result of this. I am ready. What do you think about my hair? This is the first time I do like a plait like this and I'm putting my hair back because I've got a really big head and I don't know, I just never feel comfortable. But now I'm wearing this little dress. This dress is from Barca and it's so cute. It's like this satiny, yeah, so I'm wearing this little bag. Blazer from Zara, bags from Zara, dress from Barca. So I'm gonna head out now, go for drinks, party, and wake up at 7 for work, because that's the life now. Hello. I know I look very questionable right now. I don't even know if I put these on correctly. This is enjoying my little self-care evening and day. I put some nail polish on my feet. I'm not gonna show you my feet because they are scary. I'm not gonna go out tonight. I've just realized, you know, my holiday's kind of over now. So last night we had the party, and it was crazy. We got so drunk. I don't even remember coming back home, which is bad considering obviously everything that happened to me last week. Tomorrow I'm gonna go and join the gym. There's a gym like a 7-minute walk from me, and then I'm gonna like make a meal plan to like know like what I want to eat and stuff. I've been struggling with my food. I don't know, I just can't seem to do a good food shop because I can't find the food that I want. And yeah, but so tomorrow I'm gonna go into work. I'm actually gonna go in later. I'm gonna start at 11 because I'm starting with the content activities. We basically organize everyday activities, like, I don't know, walking around Barcelona or doing like really cool things. And we tomorrow have a paella night, which is, oh, it's just so exciting. Basically I have to go in later because I have to video like the whole evening, the whole activity. So I'm gonna be bringing my camera and I'm gonna be vlogging the whole thing so that I can post it on their YouTube channel. Honestly, I just can't wait to eat paella. I'm sorry you had to see me this whole time like this. Like, is this allowed? Am I allowed to post this? Because I look scary. Like, I don't think I should be looking like this in my videos.
Yo también he comido.
The paella is done and completed. It looks unreal. It tastes so good. And we're drinking sangria. This is the first time we tried sangria and it tastes unreal.
Just sitting at the table with the cool people.
The cool people, the professionals. I feel like we are professionals, we're teachers now.
We're influencer marketing professionals.
We are professionals. Hello, well today is Saturday and it's my second weekend here in Barcelona. I will be honest, the last couple of days have been really bad. I don't usually get homesick. It's not like I'm homesick, I'm just, I feel like it's been a mixture of things and everything that I had to go through in the past week. So I've been really down, but today is Saturday, so I just thought, you know what, get out, have a nice shower, put a nice cute dress on. So I'm gonna go and grab some lunch with my friend. I go for a nice walk, probably do a bit of shopping. You know, shop is my therapy. Anytime that I feel sad, I shop because it makes me feel like it's gonna make me feel happy again. But then once that is done, I'm back to square one. Hopefully today's gonna be a better day. I've been in a really negative mindset. I can't seem to get out of it. So I feel like the only thing I can do right now is distract myself. This is what I'm wearing. As usual, I'm wearing Zara because I am boring. This is the dress. I don't know if you can see. How cute detail. It's really a summer dress. Like, this cannot get more summery. This is like the definition of summer. I'll be wearing this Zara bag. And yeah. I will tune in later. Bye. We went to Starbucks because we're basic bitches, you know? Like, we're basic. And I thought I'd never drink chai ever in my life. No, not ever in my life, but for the next 3 months. And got myself a chai. Ice cafe latte and an extra shot. We're finally walking past. So we are currently on our way to dinner. And this is a place that we've been wanting to go since I got here. I was like, it just looks so pretty. That's the terrace that we're going to be on. How pretty is that? Oh. Right, so we got the food, but I forgot to film it. It was too good. It was too good. Unreal. So we got these. These are unreal. This is tempura with basically Philadelphia cheese, and maybe the best sushi I've ever had in my life. Like, it literally melts in your mouth. Top two. It's just porn. We have some patatas bravas left. That's the aftermath. We decided to get a few drinks because we're alcoholics. So we got Aperols, wine. I'm actually tipsy. I'm waved. So I feel like they spiked our drinks. No, because why am I this waved? Why are we this waved? Like, I swear. I'm seeing George Clooney. But George Clooney and Mark Clooney, beware, watch out. We literally had one Aperol Spritz and then we had this bottle of wine, which is not even a lot. And we feel waved. What the hell is this toilet?